At some point of time, we all have faced the bad timing at any of the occasion in our life. And if we know the correct time to do the thing, we can improve our next step. So watch this video and become the master of your time.
When to do something is more important than how to do it. And this when is focused on our biological clock. So what it is? Basically, we humans are categorized as morning people or the evening people based on our productivity levels. But how to find that? It's simple. Just check out your waking time in the morning. If it's before 5, then you are more productive in the morning. Else, you are a owl. So work in the same where your productivity peak is high. Remember, we perform worse just prior to lunch, so never take up a task at the same. However, your lunch can make a difference, but only if it's taken detached from your job. Also, naps are an excellent way to ramp up your productivity, but with an optimum length of 10 to 20 minutes along with a cup of coffee, because coffee is filled with caffeine which will help you directly focus on your work just as you jump out of your nap. First, beginning. When you begin can play an outside role on how you progress and where you will end. A study done on the secondary school says that starting the schools late can improve attendance, grades, test scores, and it even lowers car crashes. So begin smart. Second, midpoints. These are important as they can bring us down or fire us up. In sports, teams slightly behind at halftime are more likely to win than teams slightly ahead. Be aware of midpoints. Don't let them remain invisible and use these to wake up rather than roll over. And here are some advices for you. First, set small goals by breaking large projects into smaller steps. And second, try to establish a chain of doing something, at least something, every day. Now comes ending. So here are 4 predictable ways ending shape our behavior. First, energize. As one approaches the end of a task or a race, one tends to pick up the pace to complete that work. Second, encode. It's only at the end we evaluate our entire experiences of doing better or worse. Third, edit. As we approach the end, we scratch out anyone and anything that isn't essential. And fourth, elevate. The best endings give us what we need rather than what we want. Remember, our ability to survive and even to live depends on our capacity to coordinate with others across time, which shapes our thoughts, emotions, and also boosts our job satisfaction and performance, as coordinating makes us better people. Finally and really, timing is not everything, but everything is timing.